In a serene park, where laughter filled the air, my friend and I found ourselves in despair. A disagreement arose, our friendship strained, but I knew of a place where hurt could be drained. I guided my friend to the forgiveness fountain, its waters sparkling, reflecting pure illumination. With forgiveness in my heart, I dipped my paw. My friend followed suit, in complete awe. As we forgave each other, the water shimmered bright. The burden of anger and hurt took flight. Released from our shoulders, our bond restored. The forgiveness fountain, a treasure we adored. Goal: this story teaches the power of forgiveness, understanding, and reconciliation, as demonstrated by our actions. It emphasizes the importance of letting go of grudges and seeking harmony in relationships. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's story, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications.